Have you ever heard the term crypto moonshot? It has been tossed around a lot lately in the blockchain and cryptocurrency world. But what does it mean, exactly? And why are people so excited about it? In this post, we will break down everything you need to know about crypto moonshots, what they are, why they matter, and how to make money from them. Continue on to learn more. What is a crypto moonshot? A crypto moonshot is a blockchain or cryptocurrency project with the potential to generate massive returns for investors. In other words, it is a high-growth, high-risk investment. The term moonshot comes from the investing world and refers to a long-shot investment that could yield life-changing returns. For example, an early investor in Amazon would have seen their investment grow by nearly 200,000%. So, when people talk about a crypto moonshot, they are referring to a blockchain or cryptocurrency project that has the potential to generate returns that are just as astronomical. Crypto moonshots are exciting because they have the potential to make investors a lot of money, fast. Traditional investments can take years to see significant returns. But with crypto moonshots, it is not uncommon for investors to see returns of 100%, 200%, or even 1,000% in a matter of months. Of course, there is no guarantee that every crypto moonshot will succeed. In fact, many of them will fail. But for investors who get in on the ground floor of a successful project, the rewards can be massive. If you want to learn more about cryptocurrencies, check out our previous post. Why invest in a crypto moonshot? You might want to consider investing in a crypto moonshot for several reasons. First, as we mentioned earlier, crypto moonshots have the potential to generate life-changing returns. If you are looking to make a quick profit, this is one of the best ways to do it. Second, crypto moonshots are often much less risky than traditional investments. That is because you can invest a small amount of money and still see significant returns. So, even if the crypto moonshot doesn't pan out, you've still made much more money than you would with a traditional investment. Third, crypto moonshots are a great way to diversify your investment portfolio. Because they're so volatile, they tend to move independently of the stock market. So, if the stock market crashes, your crypto moonshots may still be doing well, and vice versa. This diversification can help protect your investment portfolio from risk. Fourth, you don't need a lot of money to invest in a crypto moonshot. In fact, you can often get started with just a few $100s. This makes crypto moonshots an accessible investment for people of all budgets. Lastly, investing in a crypto moonshot is a great way to support the blockchain industry. By investing in these projects, you're helping to finance the development of new and innovative technologies. The risks and rewards of investing in a crypto moonshot. You might want to consider investing in a crypto moonshot for several reasons. First, as we mentioned earlier, crypto moonshots have the potential to generate life-changing returns. If you are looking to make a quick profit, this is one of the best ways to do it. Second, crypto moonshots are often much less risky than traditional investments. That is because you can invest a small amount of money and still see significant returns. So, even if the crypto moonshot doesn't pan out, you've still made much more money than you would with a traditional investment. Third, crypto moonshots are a great way to diversify your investment portfolio. Because they're so volatile, they tend to move independently of the stock market. So, if the stock market crashes, your crypto moonshots may still be doing well, and vice versa. This diversification can help protect your investment portfolio from risk. Fourth, you don't need a lot of money to invest in a crypto moonshot. In fact, you can often get started with just a few $100s. This makes crypto moonshots an accessible investment for people of all budgets. Lastly, investing in a crypto moonshot is a great way to support the blockchain industry. By investing in these projects, you're helping to finance the development of new and innovative technologies. How to identify a good crypto moonshot? When it comes to identifying a good crypto moonshot, there are a few things you should look for. First, you want to make sure the project has a solid team behind it. The team should have a track record of successful projects. Second, you want to make sure the project has a well-thought-out roadmap. The roadmap should be realistic and achievable. Third, you want to make sure the project has a use case. The project should be solving a real problem that people are actually facing. Fourth, you want to make sure the project has a competitive advantage. The project should have some unique selling proposition that gives it an edge over other projects in the space. Lastly, you want to make sure the project is well capitalized. The project should have enough funding to achieve its goals. Technical analysis is a tool to help you with your research. Technical analysis can help you get a grasp of the market and see where it may be heading. Out of the numerous technical analysis tools, there is one that we wholeheartedly recommend. Affiliate disclaimer: Movement is supported by the people. When you purchase through links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission that helps support our website and its content. Learn more. TradingView is a powerful yet easy-to-learn trading platform that provides beginners and experienced traders alike with all the tools they need for success. Whether you are just getting started or looking to brush up on your skills, there's something here. From indicators and chart patterns right down to basic technical analysis principles like trend lines, which will help keep tabs on when it might be time to enter long trades. Check out TradingView today. If you would like to learn more about technical analysis, check out our previous post. Should you invest in a crypto moonshot? There's no easy answer to this question. It depends on your risk tolerance and investment goals. If you're a risk-averse investor, investing in a crypto moonshot may not be right. However, if you're willing to take on a higher degree of risk, then investing in a crypto moonshot could be a great way to earn life-changing returns. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to invest in a crypto moonshot is up to you. But if you're looking for an investment with high potential rewards, then investing in a crypto moonshot is worth considering. Tips for investing in a crypto moonshot. Now that you know what a crypto moonshot is and why you might want to invest in one, let's look at how you can actually do it. There are two main ways to invest in a crypto moonshot: an initial coin offering or buying tokens on a cryptocurrency exchange. An initial coin offering is a fundraising event in which a blockchain project sells digital tokens to investors in exchange for cryptocurrency. This is often the first time that a project's tokens are made available to the public. ICOs are a great way to get involved early in a crypto moonshot, but they're also high-risk, high-reward investments. The other way to invest in a crypto moonshot is by buying tokens on a cryptocurrency exchange. This is a less risky way to invest, but it also means that you'll likely have to pay more for the tokens. Either way, you'll need to do your research before investing in a crypto moonshot. Make sure you understand the project and the team behind it, and don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Crypto moonshots are high-risk, high-reward investments, but for investors who get in on the ground floor of a successful project, the rewards can be massive. One more thing that you should ask yourself is where you want to store your crypto. If you are looking for more security, you should invest in a hardware wallet. Out of the many out there, there is one that we wholeheartedly recommend. Affiliate disclaimer: Movement is supported by the people. When you purchase through links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission that helps support our website and its content. Learn more. Ledger wallets are the go-to solution for cryptocurrency enthusiasts looking to keep their coins safe and sound, with a commitment not only to safety but also security. Check out Ledger wallets today. If you want to learn more about wallets and safely storing your cryptocurrencies, check out our previous post. Final thoughts. So, what do you think about crypto moonshots? Exciting, right? It's definitely an interesting time to be involved in the blockchain and cryptocurrency worlds. With so much opportunity on the horizon, it pays to stay ahead of the curve. And that's where moonshots come in. Understanding what they are and how to make money from them can position yourself for success as this new market continues to evolve. Are you ready to take your place at the forefront of this exciting industry? We hope so. Disclaimer: Movement provides educational content only. It should not be taken as professional financial advice.